Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your tax return from TurboTax. Well, this is very easy thing to do, so just make sure you follow this step till the end. Just go to Google, search for TurboTax. You will get the first link of the official website of TurboTax. Click on it. Once you click on it, on the top right you will get option of sign in or sign up. If you don't have any account, you have to click on sign up and basically sign in, and if you have an account, then just click on sign up. Now here it will take just a few seconds to load, and basically you have to enter your email address, user ID and password and phone number, and then you will be able to create an account. But we already have an account, so I will just click on sign in here. Now here you have to enter your phone number or your ID and then just click on sign in and you will be into your account. Now how to download your tax return, right? So after that, once you logged in, you should see the dashboard or menu looking for a section called tax home or documents. So guys, once you are into your TurboTax account, you have to, on the left side bottom, you will see an option which is called Intuit account. You have to click on this and you will be redirected to basically the website of Intuit, and here you will get an option of product and billing, right? Now after that, she will get an option that request or track a refund, as you can see here, right? So you have to click on it, and here you will be redirected to a new page again, and basically it will ask you that ensure refund request. So you can ask it from the another retailer, or I will just go with here. Now here it will ask you search by products. So of course it's TurboTax desktop here. Enter your order number and the associated email and click on find my order details. Right, so this is just an example video and this is how you can get it. Furthermore, they will ask you to confirm, so you have to confirm it, and that's it, and this is how you can get it, right? So this is how you can download your tax return from TurboTax. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, subscribe.